Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make it so only you and your friends are able to go to your private island in Heartopia. I know not a lot of people like it when I make these tutorials like on how you can like make it so only friends can go in your house and stuff like that. But you are able, like you're still able to socialize like outside of your house anyways. So, and if you want to see like other people's like private island, you can just ask. But I don't like it. Just like when random people like go in like my house or private island. I don't have a house currently, but if you want it on, this is just if you want it on, okay? Go to settings, go to home settings, and if you scroll down, you'll see interact with island management terminal. So there's anyone, self only, and friends only. I just have it to friends only, so only you and your friends are able to teleport to the private island here, because I had like a stranger just teleport to like my private island yesterday, and I was like, whoa, what's going on? But if you don't mind it, then it's okay. Like, I just have it on right now. There's nothing anyways to do in the private island right now, so hopefully I'm able to do something later in the future, like in this private island. So far, it's just like a place where you are able to build a private island. But if you want to have the setting on, that's how you can do it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.